DigiGo is a shared public transport service which offers on-demand or pre-bookable travel in parts of Essex. There is no fixed route or timetable, which puts you in control of your journey. DigiGo is booked through the TravelEssex Journey Planning app. Download and install the TravelEssex app from Google Play or Apple App Store. Upon opening the app, pressing Get Started means you agree to our terms and conditions. Next is location settings. Our app works best if you allow location services and notifications. In the app menu, tap on Create an account and then provide your details the app requests. When booking your first journey, enter your destination in Where do you want to go? On the next screen, choose to depart now or in the future and change your current location if required. A list of available travel options will appear. If your journey is within DigiGo's operational area, it will be displayed in this list, advising the estimated pickup time and cost. You will then be presented with more information about your DigiGo journey, including a map showing the journey and walking route to pickup point, an option to choose an accessible vehicle, tap on Change on the passenger's row, tap on Book this ride. On the following screens, you'll be asked to add your payment details, required for all passenger types, including concessionary pass holders, choose your ticket type, adult, young person, or concessionary. Concessionary pass holders will be asked to enter their 18-digit pass reference, which will be validated and saved for future journeys. Concession travel is free after 9 AM on weekdays and all day on weekends. We collect payment details for concessions in case you travel outside of the times when it is not chargeable. Your DigiGo journey details are now completed. Click Book this ride again to finish the process. When your driver is on their way to you, you will be able to track your ride. This can be accessed through the My Ride section on the homepage of the TravelEssex app. Follow the app's navigation to reach your pickup point and receive notifications alerting you when the minibus is nearby and when it arrives. We look forward to welcoming you aboard your DigiGo service.